With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, a scientist attempts to replace few carbon atoms in 1 gram diamond with boron atoms or nitrogen atoms in separate experiments. Which of the following is correct? Okay. Now you have carbon. In one experiment, you are doping carbon with boron, right? Now, boron is a group 13 impurity, right? This is electron deficient. Whereas, then you have, if you dope it with nitrogen, right? If you dope it with nitrogen, nitrogen is a group 15 impurity, okay? So, when the carbon is doped with a group 13 impurity, then it leads to the formation of a p-type semiconductor. And when carbon is doped with a group 15 impurity, then it leads to the formation of an n-type semiconductor, right? So the first statement says that the resulting material with boron doping will be an n-type semiconductor. No, this is incorrect. The resulting material with B doping is a p-type semiconductor. It means that option 2 is going to be correct. Okay. B doping is not possible as B cannot form multiple bonds. Now this is no reason, right? B doping is possible. Carbon can be doped with boron, right? And it can lead to the formation of a p-type of a semiconductor where the number of holes are more. Okay. Next is the resulting material with N doping will be a p-type semiconductor. Again incorrect. It will be an n-type semiconductor, right? So the correct answer for this question is option 2. That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.